Look around. The world we knew just a year ago, in 2025, is officially gone. We used to think that artificial intelligence was just a toy in our smartphones, a tool to write a quick email, generate a funny image, or summarize a document. We were wrong. Right now, in 2026, we are living through the quietest yet most radical revolution in human history. The fundamental rules of work, creativity, and daily life are being rewritten in real time. But if you think this year was intense, you are not ready for what's coming next. By 2027, AI will stop being just software. It is escaping the screens of our laptops and entering the physical world, taking control of things we thought only humans could handle. Welcome back to Future Lens. Today, we're looking past the horizon. Here are 5 new AI technologies coming in 2027 that will change everything, permanently. Technology number 1, AI swarm agents. For the past few years, AI was passive. You gave it a prompt, it gave you an answer. If you wanted to build a business, launch a channel, or manage a project, you still had to be the manager, switching tabs, copying text, and connecting different apps manually. In 2027, this concept dies. Enter autonomous AI swarms. Imagine instead of using one AI tool, you deploy a synchronized team of digital specialists. You give them a single high-level goal. For example, launch a product marketing campaign and optimize the budget. The lead AI agent breaks this down into 20 tasks. It hires a specialized creative agent to generate visuals, an analytical agent to track data, and a coding agent to build the landing page. They talk to each other, correct each other's mistakes, and execute the entire project in seconds while you sleep. This isn't just automation, this is a total shift from human doing to human directing. In 2027, the ultimate leverage won't be how hard you can work, but how effectively you can direct your digital swarm. If you don't learn how to manage these agents now, you will be left managing the dust they leave behind. Technology number 2, next-generation neural video synthesizers. We've all seen early AI video generation. It was impressive, but deeply flawed. Morphing faces, physics glitches, and a strict limit of just a few seconds. By 2027, generative AI video becomes mathematically perfect and endlessly long. We are moving from generating clips to generating realities. New AI video models will have a flawless understanding of physics, lighting, and temporal consistency. But the real breakthrough is text-to-movie pipelines. You won't just generate a prompt, you will prompt a world. You can write a 10-page script, upload it to an AI engine, and it will generate a full-length cinematic movie with consistent characters, dynamic camera angles, and a studio-grade soundtrack. The barrier to entry for storytelling is dropping to 0. In 2027, a single teenager in their bedroom will be able to produce a sci-fi blockbuster that rivals Marvel or Netflix. The power of distribution is moving from Hollywood boardrooms directly into the hands of individual thinkers. Technology number 3, embodied AI. For years, robotics and AI developed on separate tracks. Robots had the mechanical bodies but lacked the intelligence. AI had the intelligence but was trapped in the cloud. In 2027, they finally merge completely. Large behavior models, or LBMs, are allowing AI to understand the physical laws of our world through trial and error in massive digital simulations. When that brain is placed into a humanoid body, the results are terrifyingly efficient. These robots don't need to be programmed with specific code for every movement. They learn just like humans do, by watching a video or observing a task once. By 2027, we will see the first massive commercial deployment of humanoid workers in logistics, manufacturing, and even retail. They don't get tired, they don't need sleep, and their cost per hour will soon drop below human wages. The line between software and physical reality is blurring, and our factories will never look the same. Technology number 4. Hyper-personalized Edge AI. Right now, your AI experiences are generic. ChatGPT treats you almost the same way it treats millions of others. Furthermore, your data has to travel to distant servers and back. In 2027, AI goes native. Thanks to next-gen neuromorphic chips, powerful AI models will run locally on your devices, your phone, your laptop, or your wearable tech, without needing an internet connection. This is Edge AI. It will have a local, secure memory of everything you've ever written, said, or done. It will know your biometrics, your financial patterns, your peak focus hours, and your deepest anxieties. It becomes your external brain. It will filter your emails before you even know they arrived, auto-reject low-value meetings based on your stress levels, and predict what information you need before you even ask for it. It's no longer a tool you open, it's an ecosystem you live in. But with this ultimate convenience comes a chilling question. Where do your thoughts end and the algorithm begins? Technology number 5. Decentralized AI networks. Today, a few trillion-dollar tech giants control the world's most powerful AI models. They decide what the AI can say, what it can filter, and how much it costs. This is centralized power at an unprecedented scale. But by 2027, the counter-revolution arrives. Web3 infrastructure, open-source breakthroughs, and peer-to-peer computing will allow individual creators and businesses to chain their computers together to train and run massive AI models without corporate oversight. This means completely uncensored, sovereign AI. Models that belong to communities, not corporations. This technology will secure data privacy and democratize processing power, allowing anyone to own a piece of the global intelligence grid. The internet is shifting from a centralized playground managed by algorithms to a decentralized frontier driven by individual sovereign agents. The choice will be yours. Do you want to live under the corporate cloud or build your own network? 2027 isn't just another year on the calendar. It is the destination where human capability meets exponential technology. The tools to build a life of absolute financial and physical freedom are about to become more powerful than ever, but they will only serve those who are paying attention. The future belongs to the minimalist directors, the tech-sovereign thinkers, and those who refuse to drown in the clutter of the old world. The lens is focused on the future. Are you ready to look through it? Subscribe to Future Lens, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next chapter.